Good morning, guys. In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System and Update. Now go to Backup and Reset, and here you will notice Backup under Google account. So at first you need to set mark actually data that you wish to backup. In my case, it's both photos and videos, along with other device data. Mark Confirm, and if you'll pick Manage Backup, you will be able to customize it fully. But basically that's it. This is how you can activate your Google Backup. If you do not have your account login yet, you will have to provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. But basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.